Alpicool CF45 Portable Refrigerator Freezer. The Alpicool CF45 Portable Refrigerator offers a larger capacity to the C15 model mentioned earlier on this list. The CF45 is sized at length 27.2 inches, width 13.6 inches, and height 18.2 inches. Due to the larger exterior, this unit is able to hold 48 quarts or 48 cans. The temperature within the unit can be adjusted to suit various needs, starting at a point of -4 degrees Fahrenheit, -20 degrees Celsius. The unit is adjustable from a refrigerator to a freezer. If you are looking for something to use as your main source of refrigeration, then you cannot go wrong with this unit. It is made that you can use one area, like a refrigerator, while simultaneously using the other section as a freezer. This small and compact fridge-freezer unit is fit for use in every alternative housing situation and offers car battery protection. The unit offers an LCD display, built-in LED lights, and internal baskets. Pros: can be used as a refrigerator, freezer simultaneously. Built-in light, decent capacity. Cons: not that stick.